Good morning, this is Ron Joe in Virginia Beach, and I'm going to make a morning smoothie, which I do pretty much every day. And I'm going to show you how to make one in using a Hamilton Beach blender that I have. And you don't have to go buy one of those Ninjas or one of the Magic Bullets if you have a good blender. And these days you can find almost anything at a thrift shop. This one was in a box and it wasn't even used. And I got it for $5.95 at one of the local hospital thrift shops in the area here. And it has a milkshake button, puree, smoothie, which I'm going to use, a Dyson chop, which is salsa, which is pulse, and a grind, which is for crushed ice. But today we're going to go ahead and use the smoothie button and the grind. The ingredients I'm going to use is one large, fairly ripe banana, but not brown. And you've got to have some type of yogurt. This is the Activia yogurt that you drink. It's strawberry, but you can use the one in a regular container. We have 2 cups of milk, and I'm going to add a touch of vanilla here. And then last but not least, excuse me, I'm going to use some ice cubes because I like mine really cold, and that's where we're going to use the grind setting. So I've put the bananas in, and now I'm going to go ahead and add the milk. And I'm going to add my Activia yogurt with probiotics. I still can't say that word. And I just added the 1 cup of vanilla. We're going to add the icing later on. And what I'm going to do now is use the pulse just so it can chop the bananas. And now I'm going to go to the smoothie button. And I've just added 4 medium-sized ice cubes. And we're going to do the pulse on that until we can chop them up a little bit. And then once they're chopped, we're going to go back to smoothie again and do this for about maybe 2 minutes. As you can see, it's already foaming. Okay, it's done. And what we're going to do, we're going to pour this into a glass and let's see what it looks like. Look at that. And there you go. A strawberry yogurt, banana vanilla milkshake just in a few minutes. So you really don't need to go out and buy any of those high-priced items that say they chop and dice and make smoothies. All you need to do is get a really good blender. I'm using a Hamilton Beach one. I got it for like $5.95, still in the box at the thrift store. And the one thing about this, it stays on the counter all the time. With the other ones, you have so many attachments, you got to find them. They're in the drawers, they're in the stove, they're somewhere. And then you got to put them together. Then you got to clean 4 or 5 attachments. And the only thing I do to clean this is when it's empty, I fill it with warm water, no soap, and I turn it, I push the button that says clean, and then I just put it away. So there you go. Ron Joe smoothie. And I'm here in Virginia Beach, and if you like this, please subscribe to my channel. This is Ron Joe, signing off.